Hey preschool friends, how you doing?
It's me, Teacher Nicole.
Welcome back to class. I'm so happy to have you here again. We are going to have another wonderful day of preschool fun. All right, so let's get started by singing our Grand Rising Preschool Friend song. Are you ready? Yes? Yes? Okay. Me too. On the count of 3, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Grand Rising Preschool friends, how are you? Good, good. Grand Rising Preschool friends, how are you? Good, good. It is time to start our day. We are here to work and play. Grand Rising Preschool friends, God loves you. Good, good. Yay! Okay, friends, it's school time. It's school time. That means it's time to find out what we're learning today, okay? So, if you're ready, let's get started.
All right, so
We are going to go over some of the different things that start with the letter M. So, I have this lovely paper right here, and it has pictures at the bottom of all the different things that start with the letter M. So let's review. Some of your fun sheets will have you trace the letter M. We're going to trace the uppercase letter M, that's the big one, and then we're also going to trace the lowercase letter M, that's the small one. Okay, to draw the letter M, we are just going to go up, down, up, and then down. Another way to write the uppercase letter M, if you're looking or paying attention to how Teacher Nicole is doing it, is to start with 2 lines and then do the 2 lines that meet in the middle. And for the lowercase letter M, there are 2 humps that we are going to write for that letter. And ta-da! Now, here are some things that start with the letter M. We have milk, we have monkey, we have mushroom, we have moose, which is a type of animal, and then we have mouse. Okay? All of these things start with the letter M. How cool is that, right? Hey friends, guess what time it is? It's time to go to the activity center. Yay! We're gonna have an awesome time doing so many activities and school fun. Are you guys ready? Yes? Alright, let's go ahead and go to the activity center together. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. We did it, friends! I am here inside the computer again, back at the activity center. Wow, so good to be back. We always start with our ABCs, which means our letter of the day. Let's go ahead and click on the whiteboard and get started with our first activity. The letter M is the letter for today. See that, guys? Ooh, this gives me an idea. Let's work on our fun sheet about the letter M. Okay, so we are gonna get started with this sheet right here. This is the raindrop sheet. We can start by writing our names. If you need help, please do ask. I am going to pull out a blue color crayon. Feel free to use your markers. And we are going to just simply find and color the letter M. We are going to start with the lowercase letter M, and then we are going to go and do the uppercase letter M. So lowercase simply means small, and then uppercase simply means big. So we have big letters and small letters. Big letters, uppercase, small letters, lowercase. So now that we're done coloring the M's, let's count how many there are. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 letter M's. Okay, preschool friends, now it's time to do the exact same thing with the uppercase big letter M. Color with me, please, and then we're going to count the raindrops at the end. Go ahead and put the number in the cup. Oh wow, I counted 10 raindrops again. Let's do another fun sheet about the letter M. This one is a letter search. We'll start by writing our names just like we did on the last sheet. And we're going to find the lowercase letter M, and then we're going to find the uppercase letter M. Come on friends, we can do this. Let's go. Wow, there sure are a lot of M's to find in this letter search. Whew, we are finally close to being done. Let's go back to the activity center. All right, let's get out of this digital classroom and head back to our other classroom. Wow, I had a blast inside of the activity center.
And I had so much fun learning with you.
So we are going to get ready to sing our Shalom Neighbor song. All right, let's get started on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Shalom neighbor, what do we say? It's going to be a beautiful day. So clap your hands and shake, shake, shake. Jump up and down and keep being great! Yay! You are such a wonderful person, and you are going to do great things in your life. Thank you so much for being here. All right, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you later in the next video. All right, see you later. Adios. Join us next time on Harmony Playhouse, and don't forget to subscribe.